Welcome back to the Tax 2 e-file 2290 guide. This video is all about sold vehicles and how to request a refund from IRS. The first way to report a sold vehicle is as a credit on your 2290 return. Select Start e-filing under the Action column. Then select the tax year and month first used for vehicles you are operating. Sold vehicles can be reported as a credit request on your 2290 return, but only if you list a taxable vehicle on the same 2290 return. Select the taxable vehicle list and credit request options, then continue. No tax should be present yet. Scroll down to the taxable vehicle list and select Add Vehicle. Then provide the vehicle identification number and the operating weight of the vehicle you are operating. The total tax and balance due for the taxable vehicle will now display above the vehicle list. Continue adding taxable vehicles to the list, but do not include the sold vehicle at this time. Select Save and continue once all your vehicles are added to the list. The next section should now be the credit vehicle information. Select the Add Vehicle button to provide your sold vehicle to the return. Provide the vehicle details and select the reason for the credit request under Credit Reason. Effective date can be the date of sale. Sold vehicles must also include the detail of whom the vehicle was sold to under the Buyer Details. Once saved, the total amount of credit awarded will display in the credit field, and the balance will reflect the difference between total tax and the credit. If the credit exceeds the total tax, then the credit cannot be used on your 2290, and you must file Form 8849 for a refund. The second option for reporting a sold vehicle is with Form 8849 claim for refund of excise taxes. Skip past the overpayment option and directly to the sold/destroyed/stolen credit option. Select Yes and then select Add Vehicle to provide the details of the vehicle sold. On the 8849, you will need to select the year and first month of use for each vehicle that you provide. Then you must select the type of vehicle loss and the effective date it occurred. For sold vehicles, you must also provide the buyer details. Once you are finished, you can select Same and Continue. The claim amount from all lost vehicles will display in the total claim amount box, and the vehicles will display in the credit request table. Once you have provided all the vehicles you need, you can select Save and Continue. Review the review page of either your IRS Form 2290 or IRS Form 8849 to make sure the sold vehicle details are correct before you submit your electronic return. After payment, be sure to select Submit so that your return is processed to the IRS and you can get your refund from 8849 or 2290 Schedule 1. Once you see the order confirmation page, your return is complete. A reference number is provided to track your return, and PDF of the return can be downloaded for your records. That concludes the credit request process.